Good morning, Kat Wilson in Portland, Oregon. You see me frequently going through the open places, forests and parks, and one of the things that makes a difference, I believe, is a person who carries with them the beauty of nature and the environment. It leaves a layer of essence on you. And the forest to me has one of the most beautiful layers because there's so much peace here. So much peace. In coaching, when you are with someone, sometimes they bring with you or bring to you something that they've just been through. And whether it's doing business coaching, whether you're coaching a senior, whether you're coaching kids, or whether you're coaching someone who uh, has a transition in life, it's good to say, what is it that you bring with you? And what is it that you would like to leave with? The states that we walk around in have a lot to do with what we're going through. And if we want to change them, the very first thing we have to do is step out of vagueness and make a very clear statement of where am I now and where do I want to be? I'm currently teaching growing coach training in Portland, Oregon, and this is another one of those tips. If you've checked me out and wanted to find out more information about this program, feel free to check out my website at www.apositiva.com. That's APOSITIVA.com. Or give us a call. I'll probably be around in the forest or with a client or waiting to hear from you. 503-525-0595. I hope that you find a park, a forest, gather a little essence, and I'll be thinking about you, and I hope that you'll feel the sense of what's there for you too. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.